This channel. I really want to thank you for joining me on this tutorial. So today's episode, I will show us on how we can get all available videos on a device and play them using sketchware. So we can see there is a video. There's video list.
Hi mommy. Hi baby girl. Hi baby girl.
Is when we click on it, we can play any video, we can pause and all that. So let's see how this is done in sketchware. So when we create an empty project, the first thing we do is we add a recycler view. So we add a recycler view, then I make sure app compat is enabled. Then this is my more block. I created a more block that get all videos. So I created a more block that get all videos. After getting all videos, I make sure these imports are added, so we can see imports. So when we download the project, we see the classes that are being imported. So we add this file block so that we can be able to access files on device. Then this is our recycler view. So 4 is the number of columns. So 4 is the number of columns. We set our recycler view adapter. Then in our play video activity, so I created a custom view called course. Then inside course I added an image view with match parent, app content, fixed height, and scale type as fit center. So now the next thing I did was in my combined custom view of my recycler view, I set layout params. Then I added this glide block. Then I added this. So when it's clicked, we go to our player activity. We pass the URI because 5 parts is depreciated in Android 11. So we are using URI instead to play the video. So I added a linear layout, match parents, background as black, video view, added a video view. Then in my view, I selected unprepared. So in our uncreate, we are going to set video URI based on the clicked item in recycler view. Then when the video is ready to be played, we play the video. So that is all. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Please support by subscribing, sharing and liking this video. Thanks once more.